How you doing? I'm Said Khan from Effortlessly.com and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to go through a tool that will allow you to effortlessly build your email list when people visit your affiliate website. So in your affiliate marketing business, your email list is the most important asset that you must continue to build. Considering you don't need to have any traditional types of business assets such as stock, equipment, property, land, etc. Right? And that's one of the great benefits and conveniences of affiliate marketing because it's a minimalistic business model that's less moving parts and operations in comparison to a typical traditional offline business, even online business, for example, e-com, right? On the topic of operations, right, one of the most important ongoing activities you will engage in is the growth of your email list, okay? List building, because the bigger your email list, the bigger your affiliate business can potentially grow and succeed. There are literally hundreds of ways to build your list, and of the many ways, today I want to share with you an almost effortless way to build your email list. Once you initially implement the strategy, yeah. So one of the most visited and central pages of your website may turn out to be your homepage of your site, yeah, depending on your marketing strategy. For example, it's very common for affiliate blogs to have the homepage as the main page on which all the latest blog posts and updates are served and displayed. Therefore, you want to be able to capitalize on this opportunity by deploying some list building technologies in place to potentially encourage visitors to subscribe to your email list. And one such effective strategy is the welcome gate page. Okay, this is simply a page that takes over the home page and appears usually after a few seconds of people arriving on your site, even leaving the site as well. The purpose of the welcome gate is to offer something of great value in order to entice your visitors to sign up for the actual thing that you're doing, offering, and subscribe to your email list or newsletter. It's usually an offer of a free something, also known as a lead magnet, right? As your objective is to get a lead in return for your offer. Okay, so it could be anything that's worth it and will actually help your visitor. Some common offers include an ebook, discount code, cheat sheet, resource, a video course, an audio course, an email course, and anything that will be useful and valuable to your website visitor. In my case, for my example, on my affiliateship.com website, I added the welcome gate and offered some free affiliate success resource that aims to provide some resource for beginners and experienced marketers. Okay, stuff like free guides, free training videos, affiliate websites, free access to advanced trading and stuff like that. Okay, so as you can see, it's an offer. Here's a screenshot of it actually, of the welcome gate. So as you can see, it's an offer that I believe will be useful and beneficial to anyone involved in affiliate marketing. And the beauty of a welcome gate is that once you put it in motion, you can just leave it and let it do its work, collecting email subscribers on your behalf in a kind of passive way. Yeah. So it's also displayed quite early, in a few seconds, usually arriving of the visitor arriving at your site, giving you the best opportunity to capture an email address and grow your email list. And thanks to a variety of tools available these days, it's actually easy to create a welcome gate. You don't have to be a website graphic designer or web developer or anything like that, or even a graphic designer or anything similar, because I'm going to share with you the tool that I use. It's also a free tool that you can use to create your own welcome gate. Okay, so the tool I use to create one welcome gate is called the Hello Bar. Okay, the Hello Bar is a cloud-based tool app that consists of a suite of fantastic list building tools that enable you to take advantage of them and utilize them in your website, install them on your website in order to grow your email list. The great thing about is that all these tools are free to start and very easy to set up. It only takes a few minutes to implement. So to create the welcome tool, the tool is actually called Page Takeover Tool within the Hello Bar app. Okay, and if you're interested in creating one for your website, just follow the steps. We go through the steps on how to create one, and then you can create one yourself. Okay, so first step is you can if you're reading this as in an article, then you can click the link here, which I'll link to, or you can simply visit hellobar.com, and once you reach the website, you enter your website address and then you click on create free account. And for your convenience, you can also sign in with your Google account if you have one. So just basically registering with the site. And then after you've logged in, right, you'll be presented with the wizard type interface. And the wizard will guide you through each step. And you can also progress to the next step by clicking on the green next button. Also, to make it easy to understand the features and settings, next to some of the settings, there's a clickable information icon labeled as an eye, which you can click on and you can see what these features are about. Okay, so here's the screenshot of the next and previous. So as you can see, there's about 5-6 steps. You can simply go next, and you'll be done with your creating with your welcome gate within a few minutes. Okay, so the first step is to start with your goal. So that's the first step. Read each goal and decide what you want to achieve. Okay, depending on what you select, it will customize a welcome gate for you based on your objectives, based on your goals. In my case, I selected a targeted URL, and as I want to send people to my affiliate success resources landing page that I have in my website, on my website. Okay, so here's a screenshot of the goal. That's the first step. Okay, so you can collect emails, get phone calls, social traffic. You can send people to your social web pages. Target URL, that's the one I selected. You can even do an announcement of a special offer or so, anything like that. So those are the different goals that you can select. Okay, so in this example, we're going to go through the target URL because that's what I did. So I just direct people straight to my landing page. Okay, so after selecting your goal, next step is the type of hello bar that you want. Okay, and as I mentioned, hello bars offers some cool list building tools, where various ones which you can explore at any time. But for this exercise, to create your welcome gate, you need to select the page takeover tool. Okay, so different ones, they do slides, pop-ups and stuff like that, but this one, so we're going to select page takeover, which is the welcome gate. So next step is the design stage. Okay, where you design your welcome gate with the details of your offer. In my case, I offered some free affiliate success resources, as I mentioned, and I'm simply stating that copy, grab your free affiliate success resources, something like that, followed by an image of the freebie. Okay, having an image is very powerful and it can help in increasing conversion. People see the thing that they get, and even though it's a digital product, okay, even if it's physical, digital, wherever, just try and put an image on it. Okay, so to design your welcome gate, just simply follow each section of the design section, right, and customize it and design your welcome gate. Trust me, there's not much learning curve, as all the features are self-explanatory, and you can't go wrong. Okay, so here's a screenshot of my design page of my welcome gate. As you can see, that's on the left. You got the design options and features. You can simply go through each one and simply select them and change them, edit them the way you want to. Okay, so that's my one there. Okay, so next one is going to be next step is the settings section. Okay, so select your preferred options in the settings. It's like branding, animate on entry, exit, stuff like that. Some of the stuff that you see is going to be upgrade paid version, but as I said, you can leave it default and you don't have to pay. It's free. Okay, so that's what I did. I just left it as default. Okay, so next one is final step is the targeting settings, where you set some targeting options. Again, I left it as default, but you can explore your and set some preferred options if you want to, or you can just leave it as default and they'll just go with that. Okay, so step 8, after you've done with your targeting options, you'll notice that the next button is grayed out, which means that you can now hit the publish button. Your publish button, your end of your design phase, you've done it, and so the publish button is at the top right corner of the wizard interface. But before you do, you can check how your welcome page will look in different devices by clicking the device preview buttons on the different devices. For example, you've got desktop, tablet and mobile and stuff like that. Okay, you can click on each one, you'll see how it looks previews on these types of devices. Okay, so once you're happy with all that, you can click on the green publish button and it will publish your welcome gate. But before you do that, after you do that, there's one more important step. Okay, so please be advised also, right, like I went through the steps to create the welcome gate based on my goal of targeted URL, okay, which sends people from the welcome gate to my landing page of my choice. Depending on what goal you select, your settings may slightly differ from the steps above. If that's the case, don't worry, just simply follow the wizard and read each setting, as it's easy to understand and apply. Okay, so once you've published your welcome gate, there's one more step, as I said, important step to do that is to activate it on your website. Okay, if you don't see the installation guides after that, then follow the steps below, and this step only needs to be done once per each site that you add to the HelloBot app. Okay, so right, so from the from the main dashboard of your HelloBot app, right, you click on select settings on the left, and then once that page loads up, that section loads up, you select the blue link installation instructions. Okay, and then you'll now see the instructions for installing the script, which will enable the connection of your welcome gate and display it on your website. Okay, so choose the installation method depending on your website platform. My platform is WordPress, so all I did was basically copy that code that was on that page, installation page, and then installed and activated the Hello Bar plugin, WordPress plugin, and then through my search plugins page. And then once I installed it, I simply went into the options, Hello Bar settings, and I had to just copy and paste that code that I copied from the installation page. Okay, and then click on that green Hello Bar, activate Hello Bar button, and that's it. My welcome gate was live within minutes. Okay, so you know, for your website platform, depending on what you are, if you're on website, if you're on WordPress, obviously you can do the same. But you can, if you just got a standard HTML website, you can even select I can install the code myself, and there's also options to you send it to your developer if you don't want, if you're not comfortable installing it yourself. So, but there's all these options, so you can't go wrong. Okay, so yeah, so that's that. So yeah, that's it really. So there you have it, a welcome gate that you can create for free and grow your email list on almost autopilot without any ongoing effort. There are quite a few good tools that you can use to create your welcome gate if you look online, but I personally went with Hello Bar as I find it very user friendly and was able to create my welcome gate with ease and within minutes as well. Okay, if you haven't yet added the welcome gate on your website, then I think it's definitely worth adding one if you want the opportunity to grow your email list in a passive way once you've activated it, and I'm sure you'd like that, right? And if you want to give Hello Bar a try, go ahead. It's free to get started. They have a free plan along with some paid plans, but the free plan provides some good features, starting features to get your welcome gate up and running immediately. Okay, so with that said, yeah, if you want to go to set one up yourself, visit hellobar.com, or if you're reading the article, you can click here on this link here, and then it'll take you to the Hello Bar where you can set one up and start getting your welcome gate on your web page. Okay, so that's it for now for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you like more stuff like this, visit fellowship.com/newsletter. Okay, and all the best. Thank you for watching, and take care.